Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rakshanda from Chamber of Beauty. I hope you are doing well. Guys, my today's video is based on my experience with two products from Dot and Key. Dot and Key is an Indian skincare brand which is completely free from nasty toxins like sulfate, paraben and other chemicals. You must have understood that the first one is a day cream and the second is night. I have been using both products for about 2 weeks. So now I am ready to share my experience with you. So let's start. Guys, it's a lovely morning. I have just taken a bath and finished my morning coffee. Now it's time to show you the day cream that I will be using. Dot and Key Skin Detox Smoothie Cream comes in this cute green packaging. As you can see how lovely this outer box is, and you find all the details about the products printed on it. Inside the box, this is the cream jar, which is a small and cute looking glass bottle. The white lid is also pretty and completely able to protect the cream. I am so happy to see this small applicator in the pack that helps me take out the cream easily. Now let's check the claims of the product. It says that this cream contains SPF 20 and lots of vitamins. It acts as a shield that keeps pollution and dirt from entering the skin pores. The cream itself is light green in color and the texture is so creamy, very smoothie like. My skin is normal combination kind in summer, so I like an oil free cream these days, and this doesn't feel heavy at all. It's been about 2 weeks since I'm using this cream. This cream comes with SPF 20. It has a mild and natural smell which I love. As you can see, a small quantity is required each time for my whole face and neck. When I apply it, it gives a soothing sensation to the skin. It gets absorbed in a while and provides me a semi-matte finish, but doesn't make my skin dry. It feels very soft and its great absorbance quality really makes it a great moisturizer for summers. It is ideal for people who usually stay indoors and reach out for light SPF. It has SPF 20, so whenever I go out, I apply a strong SPF sunscreen over it. I love the effect of the cream on my skin as my skin looks hydrated, healthy and soft. So guys, I am done with applying this cream. For this weather, it's a good cream for my skin which is normal to dry. I think it will be even better for oily and combination skin. Hey guys, this is 10:30 p.m. and I am free from dinner. It's time to go to bed, but before that, I would like to talk about the night cream that I am going to apply before sleeping. Dot and Key Night Reset Retinol Sleeping Treatment Cream has been a part of my night skincare routine for 2 weeks. This cream comes in a similar packaging like Skin Detox Smoothie Cream. The only difference is of the color. As you can see, it has a pink packaging and looks so beautiful. All important information is on the outer box. It claims that a glow-giving anti-aging night cream formulated with retinol and ceramides to bring back skin's lost radiance, especially for mature skin. This is the ingredient list. It doesn't have the percentage written, which is a bit inconvenient, but the ingredients are impressive. The key ingredients are hibiscus, evening primrose oil, sea buckthorn berry, retinol, ceramide, vitamin C, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid. The jar is again very pretty. This also comes with the spatula. The cream is gel-like and pink in color. The formula is super light, non-greasy and quick absorbing. But I am not a fan of the detergent-like smell. I apply it after cleansing my face. I have cleansed my face already, so applying it in front of you. As you can see how quickly it gets absorbed into my skin. It has retinol, so make sure your skin is dry before applying it. The texture is super smooth, light pink and gel-like consistency. The way it absorbs, leaving skin supple, is great. It has given a pleasing effect on my skin. I get soft and radiant and fresh skin every morning. Though I didn't see much difference on my skin fine lines, but yes, it has improved my skin texture. It looks softer and healthier. So guys, I am done with my night skincare routine. Now time to go to bed. Good night. Overall, I adore both products. Both creams are effective and can be used by all skin types. These are reasonable in price too. The only downside is the odd smell of detergent in the night cream. If you liked this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.